Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix no sound on Prime Video. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is just simply check for any connected Bluetooth devices. Sometimes when your Bluetooth device is nearby, it gets connected to the device and that might be causing the issue that you are facing. So just check for any connected Bluetooth devices. Now the next thing that you can do is just simply head over to the settings app and then tap on general. Now tap on iPhone storage, and inside iPhone storage scroll down and then tap on show all. Now find Prime Video and tap on it, and then tap on offload app and then tap on offload app once again. And what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the box and caches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issue that you are facing. And once you do that, instead of this offload app, you will have an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on that, and once that process is complete, and if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to the App Store, and on the search bar simply type in Prime Video and then tap on it and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so just simply update to the latest version and then try again, and that should fix the issue. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.